Students often think division comes before multiplication just because D comes before M. That's not correct. Division and multiplication have equal priority, so we move from left to right. Before calculating, let's label the order clearly. Step 1. Inside the first bracket, 30 times 8. Step 2. Inside the second bracket, multiplication goes first, 8 times 8. Step 3. Subtract that result from 100. Now we move outside the brackets. Step 4. 4 multiplied by the result of the first bracket. Now, look carefully at the middle. Step 5. 9 times 8. Multiplication goes first. Step 6. Divide by 12. Only after that do we mark subtraction from left to right. Now we calculate calmly. 30 times 8 is 240. 8 times 8 is 64. 100 take away 64 is 36. 4 times 240 is 960. 9 times 8 is 72. 72 divided by 12 is 6. 960 take away 6, we will get 954. And finally, 954 take away 36. Final answer is 918. Clear structure, equal priority, left to right. Done. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If there are topics you are struggling with, please write in comments and wait for new videos.